Premium Grass Blades has been voted the #1 artificial turf company in BC. That's because we don't just sell turf, we design it ourselves. We've spent nearly a decade perfecting our product line, ensuring we offer the widest variety of high-quality turf to suit different needs. Whether it's for residential backyards, commercial spaces, pet areas, or high-traffic landscapes, our turf is engineered for performance, durability, and a natural look and feel. Unlike many companies that source generic products, we work directly with manufacturers to develop turf that meets our high standards for resilience, aesthetics, and superior drainage. That's why customers across BC trust us to provide the best synthetic grass solutions. Our turf is designed to save homeowners and businesses time, money, and water. It requires no mowing, no watering, and no harmful pesticides or fertilizers. This makes it an eco-friendly solution that cuts down on water bills and maintenance costs while keeping outdoor spaces looking lush year-round.